Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw USDT from Telegram wallet to bank. Alright, let's begin. First of all, head over to your Telegram account and tap on the P2P market feature. After that, tap on sell, and the next thing you need to do is choose the crypto network. Simply choose USDT from the menu and then input the target amount. Once done, tap on sell, and the next thing we need to do is add a payment method. As you can see, you can add a new payment method if you don't have one. Just input your bank details and then confirm the details. As you can see, I already have two bank payment methods, so I'll just select this first one. Now I'll just tap on continue and tap on create order. Then wait for the buyer to confirm this order and make the payment. After you receive the payment, tap on the confirm payment feature and then send the payment from your side. So that's basically how you can withdraw USDT from Telegram wallet to bank. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.